Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today I'm going to do another unboxing, which means it's actually unwrapping, not unboxing. So let's not wait any longer, so let's do it. So this is how it's being unboxed. So there's a instruction here. So let's wrap it up. Wrap it up. Okay, there's a lot of paper being used because it's glass. It's a glass base. Yes, it's another Rotera lamp. Yep, Rotera lamp. It's from IKEA. Yeah. Because due to the COVID-19, IKEA is actually closed, so you have to buy online. So which is like I share with a person, so it's like we don't need to pay so much for the shipping fee, which actually is very expensive. It's like a small item is $10, and for big item is like close to 70 Sing dollars, which is like about about 30 USD around there, which is quite expensive, but it's much worth it if you buy a lot of item. But if you buy like 2-3 item, it's not worth it. So it's best to join with somebody else, then you collect from them. So this is actually the lamp. This is one of the new colors. Yeah, it's not sure what is the color, but this is nice. It's close to teal. Yeah, if those of you been watching my channel, I think you guys will know that actually I have blue, yellow, red, white. Can't remember though the rest of the color that I have, because I keep it inside the box, which is like I got no space to display it for now. Need to find space to display. So that's it for today, and I hopefully all of you will stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe and follow my channel. And I also will link my Twitch stream below, so hopefully I get more followers, so that I can can become Twitch partner very soon, hopefully. So that's it for today, and thank you and bye bye.